Welcome back, Flare community. Today we have some exciting news from Flare Finance, who have just announced the beginning of their Loyalists NFT collection. In this collection is the very first NFT, the DeLorean NFT, commemorating their past, present, and future events. And it's very exciting because if you look down here, they actually say that holders of this NFT will gain access to various NFT-related drops, bonuses, and benefits commemorating events in the ecosystem, including access to discounts on Flare Drop. Now, I'm not really sure what that is, but I'm sure we're going to find out more in the future. Additionally, all NFTs or non-fungible tokens will be ported to the Flare network upon launch. And this is something that I'm really excited about because the minting fees and all of the processing fees on the Ethereum network is becoming really expensive. So let's check out the NFT itself.
Stereo.
What is it?
What it is?
I think it looks absolutely great, and I really needed to get one of these myself. And I just bought mine, and I'm extremely excited to see what this actually means. And with that being said, guys, I would absolutely love to remind you of the Flare Community NFT collection. Now, every 10,000 subscribers, every milestone, I actually release a new NFT. And we can actually see right here that the next 10,000 subscriber milestone of 40,000 is just around the corner. Now, everyone that's holding this particular NFT, the number 3, which represents 30,000 subscribers, is going to get airdropped the 40,000 subscriber NFT. So that's something to look forward to. I think NFTs have a really big part in the future, not just artwork, but for gaming and all kinds of different use cases. So with that being said, I'll provide links to all of the material in the description below. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.